Hi, welcome to Chef Pachi. Now during the pandemic, I had my husband go and get me some chicken. He actually came back with some breasts that were still together. They were doubled and I said, what am I gonna do with this? And I'm here in Panama, so I decided that I was gonna use culantro, which is also sometimes called razor leaf parsley, and I was gonna do something different. So I seasoned my chicken like I usually do with some yogurt and herbs, and I decided that what was I gonna do that was different? Place some of that culantro in the center, maybe tie it, and suddenly I thought, this is an amazing way to make something like a turkey breast. So I actually kept them together but cut each of the sides of the breast in half. So I sliced them lengthwise, that way I could roll it. Added some more seasoning to the cut. And the story is because my husband doesn't really like chicken. And I said, I'm gonna tell him it's turkey. So I added some garam marsala to my seasoning inside. To one, to the other, I just added the herbs. So I actually made 2 different rolls the same day. Finally, I wanted to tie them. You don't have to tie them like I am tying them. You could just make 3 ties, 1 in the center and 1 on each corner, and that's it. But I was actually filming without really thinking about making a video. I just wanted to film it in case something good came out of it. And oh my goodness, this was amazing. After I tied my breasts, I baked one. The other one, I froze it. And then I defrosted it overnight another day, and we had a second amazing chicken. So here's the story. After I baked them, it was so delicious and so good that we've been keeping doing it again and again. I added some more spice on top, a pinch of salt and pepper, and one of those, I had too much salt, so I had to rub it off, and then just place it in a banana bread pan or in a meatloaf pan. Check it out, it was amazing. So I said, okay, I'm gonna bake this at 350 for about 25 minutes because it's not that big, so that it came out moist. And voila, this is amazing. Look at it, it looked beautiful. Took it out. I even had a delicious sauce in the bottom. It was amazing, like a tiny rolled turkey breast. Much easier to do and in minutes. And look at the tenderness of this chicken. It actually does look like a rolled turkey breast. And voila, it's amazing. We actually had 2 meals with it. Ooh, this is beautiful and delicious. I hope you like it. The recipe for the ingredients that I had in the seasoning are really simple. I had some sour cream and yogurt and some chimichurri with the herbs, salt and pepper, and some garam marsala. That was a meal for a couple of days. One day we had it as chicken, the next day we had it as sandwich with some delicious red bell pepper sauce, like the one that I call the red bell pepper ketchup, which is roasted red bell peppers, and some plain yogurt. This was a meal to remember. It was delicious. You have to try it. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.